y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zenabou Kartel, and I'm back again like I never left. So as y'all can see by the tag, this is a natural makeup beat. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, please feel free to continue watching this video.
Money fall on you, banana fall on you, Prada fall on you, cause I'm in love with you, hey. Money fall on you, banana fall on you, paparazzi follow you. Oh, don't see me when you're here. Oh, do you, do ya, mama, you. It be only you be my desire. Oh, I'll let you, still, I'll let you, I'll let you, still, I'll let you, I'll let you, still, I want you. Only your water be quench my fire. Oh, so tell me now, oh, do, oh, do, oh, do, oh, do, I'm leaving now, oh, do, remember me, I love you, know me, say make I put one hand for fire, 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 burn them. I go put hand for fire. Ain't no me, say make I put one leg for fire, 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 burn them. I go put leg for fire. Oh, I'll let you, still, I'll let you, I'll let you, still, I'll let you, I'll let you, still, I want you. It be only you be my desire. It be only you be my desire. Oh, I'll let you, still, I'll let you, I'll let you, still, I'll let you, I'll let you, still, I want you. Only your water be quench my fire. Oh, so tell me now, oh, do, oh, do, oh, do, oh, do, I'm leaving now, oh, do, remember me, I love you, know me, say make I put one hand for fire, 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 burn them. I go put hand for fire. Ain't no me, say make I put one leg for fire, 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 burn them. I go put leg for fire. Oh, I'll let you, still, I'll let you, I'll let you, still, I'll let you, I'll let you, still, I want you. It be only you be my desire.
Okay, I'm back with my lashes and my wig, So when I'm done with my makeup, I always like to go in with the Urban Decay spray just to finish it off. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that right now, and then shaboom. So if you guys really did enjoy this makeup look, please feel free to leave it in the comments. So this is my everyday look. I wear this every day. I'm lazy-eyed, guys. So I hope, because people be thinking my lashes is crooked, but in all reality, I'm just lazy-eyed. I really did enjoy this video. Ew, I look like a bomb-ass Bailey. Feel me? Thank you guys so much. If you guys really did enjoy the way I achieved this look, once again, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just out here doing my own makeup and showing people that are new to this makeup game how natural you could just go with your makeup every day. So, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You joined the Little Ass Gang, okay? And if you're coming back to my channel, you're the real MVP, and y'all the reason why I do what I do, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Yeah. I know go lie, I'm tryna get on my little peace of mind. Wherever I go, no, I feel united with the way destiny amazed. What I feel, that crazy. Can't imagine, I need my space. I need my space, yeah.